what to know if you find yourself at Unity Square. This is Bartlesville's first urban green space, and it's part performing arts center, part public art garden. It's a great place to bring your family for a picnic, and we have wonderful exercise classes like yoga and Tai Chi. So let's learn a little bit more about this wonderful green space in downtown Bartlesville. Come with me to check out Tower Center at Unity Square. Here's 4 things you should know about Tower Center at Unity Square. Unity Square's landscape architecture is made up completely of native plants, trees, and stone. It's a really beautiful place where you can escape in nature right here in the middle of downtown Bartlesville. Unity Square is pet and family friendly, so you can come out and enjoy the day with your family, play a little catch, maybe some frisbee, or just sit and do nothing for a while. Unity Square has a series of interactive entertainment features like these wonderful musical instruments for children of all ages and the beautiful interactive water feature, Native Color, by renowned Kansas City artist Amy Jacobson. So it's something not only to see, but you can also fully experience Unity Square. Not only does Unity Square host daily healthy living and exercise classes, community events and concerts, it's also available for rent. So you can host a family reunion, a community gathering, a concert, or any kind of event right here in the heart of our city. Fun fact, the Bartlesville Community Center is made up of a series of column rays, and those rays extend into Unity Square, unifying the Bartlesville Community Center to the Price Tower, and the rays light up in the evening. Unity Square is within walking distance of the Bartlesville Community Center, the Bartlesville Public Library, and the Price Tower. It's also a fantastic hub for scooters. So the next time you're in Bartlesville, you can find yourself in Unity Square. In the meantime, find us on all the socials, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or www.visitbartlesville.com. Until then, we'll see you next time when you find yourself in Bartlesville.